Due to climate change, urban land expansion, and deforestation, biodiversity is in steep decline. One key to improving biodiversity is to plant and preserve different species of tree and entire forests. Roads, infrastructure, and activities in urban areas block plant and wildlife habitats from connecting to each other. In and around cities, an effective way to partially solve this problem is to create green corridors that bridge these habitats. One such example is found in Medellin. Here, the Green Corridor Project created 36 green corridors between several natural areas to restore the green and blue belts, encouraging the movement of species.
Con Corredores Verdes estamos logrando poder trabajar temas de diferentes siembras de árboles que vamos mejorando todas las condiciones de biodiversidad que tenemos en la ciudad. La comunidad siente una gran apropiación de los espacios y se benefician de esas mismas, por ejemplo, de esas mismas huertas. Entonces, se vuelve un proyecto que integra a la comunidad y la comunidad se apropia de forma muy positiva.
A total of 8,800 trees were planted and another 90,000 plants seeded in order to promote biodiversity, with 65 hectares of land preserved. But the benefits of this project extend to many other areas, not least for the people of Medellin. With better air quality, heart-related death decreased.
Poder trabajar en temas también de calidad del aire, porque dependiendo como de las diferentes especies de árboles que estamos sembrando, podemos apostar a eso, regular la temperatura y empezar a trabajar temas de islas de calor.
With more trees, the average temperature was lowered by 2 degrees Celsius, and more CO2 is now being absorbed by the trees. The cost? $16.3 million was invested in the project, but the expected financial benefit to Medellin amounts to $136 million between 2020 and 2030.
Sí, este proyecto en términos económicos es bastante exitoso, no solo pues en lo que se llegó a invertir, sino los beneficios que tendrá futuro, ¿cierto? Por todos los... Entonces a futuro, digamos que esto se va a multiplicar.
Change is possible, but we need to act now. Well-planned, urban nature-based solutions can help curb climate change, improve biodiversity, and create better living conditions for people living in urban areas around the world.